And hey, what are you doing here? How are you doing? Oh, hi, Anita. Not bad. Not bad. What about you? Just the usual. Hey, listen, I'm on my way to the restaurant. Would you like to tag along? Oh, I'd love to, but I have little money. I can't. Sure, I have a little money to spare. Let's go. As you notice, little means almost zero, almost none. It has a negative meaning. It means it's not enough for what I want to do with that. While a little means some, but not much. The same rule can be applied to few and a few. Few means almost none, nearly nothing, and it has a negative meaning. While a few means not many, but still enough for what I want to do with that. So, what's the difference between them? Few and a few are used with countable nouns. Little and a little are used with uncountable nouns. Now, let's listen to some more examples about few and a few, little and little. They have a little money. They're not poor. They have little money. They're so poor. I have few friends. I feel so lonely. I have a few friends and they're great. I can always count on them. Oh no, I'm through. There's little time left. Hurry up, guys. We can do it. There's a little time. Can you speak Spanish? Yes, a little. No, I only know a few words in Spanish. If you found this video useful, do not forget to share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get updates about the new videos.